All right, everyone, this is Math Message 8-5. You should have out a separate sheet of paper. Okay, we'll get started. It says list at least 5 products that have 4 as one of their factors. Well, let's see. I know I need 5 products, and we know products is the answer when you multiply that have 4 as one of the factors. Remember, a factor times a factor equals a product. And now 4 has to be one of these factors. So first I'm going to write 1, 2, I'm going to list out 5 because I know I need 5 answers. So here we go. I have my 5 written down. So eventually I will put in my 5 answers. Oops. Well, it's down there. Okay, so let's see. They want a factor times 4 as a factor. We don't know what this one is. Equals, and what's the product of 4? What would be an answer of something times 4? I want you to see if you can figure out 5 products with 4 as one of the factors. Go ahead and then we'll come together and see what you got. Okay, if you're listening to me, that means that you found 5 products and you have 1 through 5 filled in. Well, what's one way we could have figured this out? Well, let's see. If I did 1 times 4, I know that the product is 4. So product, okay. 4 would be one of them. Well, what if I just go down the line and I go 2 times 4? 2 times 4, those are my factors. 4 as one of the factors, I have that, equals 8. Okay, 8 is my product. So if 4 is one of the factors, 8 would be a product. I could just keep going. 3 times 4 equals 12. 4 times 4. Well, if I didn't know that, what is 12 plus 4? That's 16. It's like a helper fact. And that would be a multiplication square because we have the same factor times factor. 1, 2, oh boy. 5 times 4. I know my multiples of 5 really well, so this is this is 20. So let's see, my other ones could be 12, 16, and 20. So right there I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products that have, look at that have 4 as one of their factors. So all of these problems have 4 times something to make their product. This is a new vocab word that's called a multiple. All of these products are a multiple of 4 because we can make that product multiplying 4 and another number. So these are all a multiple. You will need to know your facts or your factors 2 through 10 really well to play our game today. So go ahead and join me on Math Journal page 263.